Hey there, DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best home improvement tips and tricks. Today, we're diving into a project that's both functional and stylish, applying an epoxy coat to your garage floor. Epoxy coating not only makes your garage floor look fantastic but also protects it from spills, stains, and wear and tear. Let's get started. Step 1. Gather your materials. Epoxy coating kit. Make sure it's for garage floors. Concrete cleaner or degreaser. Pressure washer or hose. Floor grinder or concrete etching solution. Painter's tape. Paint rollers with extension handles. Mixing bucket and stir stick. Protective gear, gloves, goggles, and a mask. Floor scraper or putty knife. Step 2. Prepare the garage floor. Start by clearing out everything from your garage. Yes, everything. Sweep and vacuum the floor to remove any loose dirt and debris. Next, use a concrete cleaner or degreaser to clean the floor thoroughly. A pressure washer can be really helpful here, but if you don't have one, a hose and some elbow grease will do the trick. Let the floor dry completely before moving on to the next step. Step 3. Apply the epoxy primer. Begin with the epoxy primer, which helps the main coat adhere better and last longer. Mix the primer according to the instructions on the kit. Use a paint roller with an extension handle to apply the primer evenly across the floor. Start at the farthest corner from the door and work your way out, so you don't paint yourself into a corner. Let the primer dry for the recommended time, usually a few hours. Step 4. Mix and apply the epoxy coating. Mix the epoxy resin and hardener according to the manufacturer's instructions. Be sure to mix thoroughly to ensure the components are fully combined. Pour the mixture onto the floor in small sections and use a clean paint roller to spread it out evenly. Again, start at the farthest corner and work your way out. If you're adding color flakes for texture and style, sprinkle them onto the wet epoxy before it starts to set. Let the first coat dry for the recommended time, usually 12 to 24 hours. Step 5. Apply the top coat. For extra durability and a glossy finish, you can apply a top coat once the epoxy has dried. This step is optional but highly recommended, especially if your garage sees a lot of traffic. Mix the top coat according to the instructions and apply it just like you did with the epoxy. Step 6. Let it cure. This can take anywhere from 72 hours to a full week, depending on the temperature and humidity in your area. Avoid walking or driving on the floor until it's fully cured to ensure the best results. And there you have it, your garage floor is now protected and looking incredible. Whether you're using it for parking, a workshop, or even a home gym, this epoxy coating will keep your floor in top shape for years to come. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more DIY home improvement tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.